gonna show you how to make alumban ring. My name is Sijan. Her name is Sika.
My name is Dwayne.
So let's get started. First things first. First, you should get your lumband. Pick a color and put it in the rock. There should be two. So we're like going to make a diamond. Don't forget to always start in the right. So there.
Say something, dude. Magsabi ka. Come on.
So there, that's what it looks like. Then pick another color. So let's make it upside down. Now put there, going clockwise. Wait, just let me fix it for a while. There.
Sorry about that. We're just gonna fix it a little bit.
Then get another color
And form it
and make it into 8. Then put it there in the middle.
Hindi na makita. Pakita mo.
So there.
In time for the hooking problem.
It's time for the hooking progress. So first, get your hook. Now put it there. And put it
There.
here. Okay. So this is gonna get a little tricky. You should always get it inside and not outside. So there.
Get it in from the top.
Get it there. Oops, it got removed.
Sorry, it got removed.
There. Then
Di nila makita kung anong ginagawa mo.
going there. So now it's gonna look like a flower kind of thing.
Kind of a flower.
Yeah, kind of flower. So there.
So always get it from the top.
So it should look like that.
Flower.
This is also hard. You have to look what's on top. Okay. Now, start from here. There. So we're going to go from the bottom to the top. Get it from over there. There, like that. Oops.
Oopsie. There you go.
That was a close one.
And there.
So that's like, it's like a spider web. Next you have to go from the bottom and get this one. Going back.
There.
And the other one.
And there you go.
So there. So wait, I'm just gonna get the hook thingy.
Sorry. We left the hook on our room. Sorry about that. Sorry.
So I got a hook from the top. From the top, get it?
So we're gonna put the lock.
There. So just in case, put that there. Get the other
There's the lock.
side. Now, let's start removing. Okay. Remove it.
There.
And there. So that's what it looks like.
So, see you next time in How to Make a Lumbwan, presented by Jan Dwayne, C. Jan, and everyone. Bye!
Bye!